Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As seen in the previous video, after the startup we had a knock. So this knock can be attributed to the new conrods we installed. The big end bearing caps were approximately 1 millimeter too long, and this made contact with the sump each time the engine rotated. So we had to remove the sump, file it down, using a Dremel, and reinstall it and watch the video ahead. Noise all gone. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and catch you on the next one guys. Thanks. Cheers for now.